I welcome you to our online session for mathematics. Today we will solve the last problem set or practice set of our third lesson. With this we will complete our lesson number 3 of workbook and textbook both. I hope that you understood all the concept clearly. If not, this is the opportunity for you to understand again. HCF means highest common factor, LCM means lowest common multiple. For HCF, highest common factor, that means we have to find the factor and then the highest number. LCM, we have to find the multiples, which number comes, and then we have to multiply and then get the answer. Okay. So we'll again start with question number 1 of practice set 14. Choose the right option. First, this is the objective type question, so answer will be given as objectives. You have to find the in the rough work and then get the answer. The HCF of 120 and 150. You have to get the answer for this. So we will divide 120 and 150, and if we know the table properly, we can directly take 15. 15 8s are 120 and 15 10s are 150, and the next step will be again 2. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. So the answer will be HCF. I told you that always remember, now we don't have any common number, any other factor. So the HCF will be in H form. H form is here. Yes, HCF will be H form and LCM will be L form. So we are finding only HCF. So answer will be 15 2s are 30. So the option is already given 30 and answer will be 30. So you can write 30 here. Are you getting? Yes, it's very easy. The second question, HCF of this pair of number is not 1. What is 1? 1 is a natural number. It is neither prime nor co-prime, nothing it is. It is just 1. So for 17 and 13 and 17, if you remember the first exercise, it is prime number. So the common number will be 1. Only in one table it will come. Again now the second, if you want, you can find the factor for your understanding. 29 and 20. 20 is a composite number and 29 is a prime number. For any composite and prime number, answer will be, common number will be 1. Then here 40 and 20. You can see that 40 and 20 both will come in 2's table, 4's table. So 5 also. So there are many other numbers which can divide these two numbers. And the last one, 14 and 15. So 14 is a composite number, 15 is also a composite number, but 15 comes in 3 5s and 14 comes in 2 7s are 14. So the common factor is only 1. It's not having common factor. So from this we will understand HCF of this pair of number is not 1. Not 1 means this is the answer, because it is having other factors also. Okay. So answer is 20, 40. Now we will move to question number 2. Find the HCF and LCM. We have to find both the things simultaneously. So first we will try to find as normal what we are doing in earlier cases. I am solving one question as an example, you will try the other. If you face difficulty in solving, you can ask me in the query session. So the method will be same. So I am taking this first question as example. So we will divide this both the table, this both the number by which number? 14. 14 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28. Directly you can do, because if you remember the table you can do directly, or else you can have other factors. If you want 14 and 28, you can divide by 2 7s are 14 and 2 14s are, and then 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So here you will get 2 steps, here only 1 step. So the HCF, what is HCF? HCF will be, this is H, yes, this is H. So only 14. HCF is 14. Understood? And LCM. LCM is like this. So the answer is 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2. So 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28. So the LCM is 28. I hope you are understanding. Yes? LCM will be L form, HCF will be H form. Again now we will find only LCM. Question number 3. Question number 3, the last example. Question number 3, last example of practice set 14. So we'll take that example. First number is 24, then 40, then 80, and then 120. Okay. So for better understanding, we'll start with 2. 2 12s are 12 to the 24. 2 20s are 40, 2 40s are 80, and then 2 6s are 12 and 0, 2 60s are. If you want, you can take directly 4 also, but we are taking step by step here because there are many numbers, so we should not get confused. Again 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 10s are 20, 2 20s are 40, and then 2 30s are 60. Again we will divide. If you see that all the numbers will be divisible by again 2. So 2, 2 3s are 6. Remember what we are finding while solving this question. You should remember we are finding HCF or LCM. If you are finding LCM, then make sure that there is no common number, as you will see here. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 10s are 20, and then 2 15s are 30. Now if you see the numbers 3 5 10 15, so majority of the number comes in 5's table, so we will take 5. So 3 will be as it is. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, and 5 3s are 15. Now there are 2 3, so we will take one. We will divide the number by 3. 3 ones are 3, then 1 will be as it is. Any number which we can't divide, that number will be followed as it is. Okay. So 2 and then 3 ones are 3. Now there is no common number except 1, and 1 if multiplied by any number will be the only the number which we have multiplied. Okay. So if we are asked LCM, we must stop here, or if you want you can solve again 1. You can write 2 here and then 1 will be here. So it will be same, but don't confuse yourself. Follow the pattern which we are following, that will be L form. Okay. So LCM is equals to how many times? 1 2 3 and 4. So 1 2 3 and 4. So 2 is considered. Now 5 and 3 once time. So 5 and 3. If you multiply, 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 32s are 60, 62s are 120, 122s are 240. For making easy, you can 4 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 5s are 80, 83s are 240. So you can go as you feel is comfortable for you. So LCM of the number is, this is a word problem, so you have to write the LCM of 24, 40, 80 and 120 is 240. Okay, I hope you understood this much. Solve this much. I will send a next video of the remaining questions as soon as possible. Thank you, students.